Okay, my lovelies, in this bowl I have almond flour, coconut flour, my sweetener, baking powder, and cinnamon. And then I blended all the ingredients together to make sure there were no more lumps. Just make sure there's no more lumps in here. If you have to smooth it out some more. Okay, in this bowl I have my eggs and I have my melted butter. What I failed to do was put the sweetener in here. I put the sweetener with the dry ingredients, but either way, I hope it still comes out right. Because this is my first time trying this recipe. So I'm going to continue on and just like hope for the best. Oh, and I used almond milk instead of the original recipe said, I think, coconut milk. And for some nuttiness, I chopped up some macadamia nuts and I'm going to put it right into my batter and fold it in. And I'm going to take these macadamia nuts and you can see how smooth the texture of the batter is. It's not lumpy. I'm going to fold those right in. And this is going to be my streusel topping. It's going to be pretty much the same thing with the almond flour, coconut flour. I use Swerve sweetener and of course the cinnamon and the softened butter. Okay, now I put the streusel on top and I'm going to bake it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 350. Okay, my lovelies, this is my keto coffee cake and I added some macadamia nuts to it. Still letting it cool down some, and once I let it cool down, I'm going to cut it and I'm going to let you see the inside. Okay, my lovelies. I couldn't wait for it to cool because it looks so good. I did let it cool for about a good 20-30 minutes, but it's still warm. You see all this little lovely goodness of macadamia nuts? Oh my God. It's dark and I like it. That cinnamon just hits it off really nice. So I will definitely leave a description. See, there it is. It's still warm on the bottom, but this is like truly a great low carb, gluten-free coffee cake that you can have with your coffee or your tea or whatever you want to drink it with. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I will definitely leave a link. The Keto Chef is where I got this recipe from, and he got it from somebody else. And I forgot their name. So I will leave all that information below and the recipe. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching again. And have a great night. This is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus.